This is all the parts you're going to need to install that 242 case into your Jeep Grand Wagoneer. So what I have here in this first section are parts from Novak. So what we have is a long 23 spline input gear for the 242 case, and we have the various parts required to install the shifter that also came from Novak for the conversion. Now this is going to have to go up through the floor, a little bit unlike what's there at the moment, but it's going to be a lot easier system. And we even get a gear shift ball with a 2-wheel high, 4-wheel part-time, 4-wheel full-time, neutral, and 4-wheel low. So that's what the new case will do for you. And you get the installation instructions on how to set all this up. And this is for the shifter. And as far as putting that input gear in, there are YouTube videos on how that's done. Now over here, we have the slip yoke eliminator from Tom Woods Drivelines. And so we have our yoke, which is a 3310. We have our advanced adapters tail shaft, which will replace the housing that's on the case at the moment. We have your output shaft, and we have the various small parts that are required to install this. So, and then finally, the instructions. So like I said, I'll have a link to to all of these parts where you can buy them online if you're interested in doing this kind of conversion. Now anytime you're doing a slip yoke eliminator on a 242, this will be the kit that you'll want to get. I have already installed one in one of my Jeep Grand Cherokees, and it's really worked out great. Had no issues whatsoever. So there you have it. The next video we will produce will be getting this 242 case all set up to go back into the Grand Wagoneer. And so we want you to enjoy the videos, so sit back, relax, and let us do the work. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.